This is a 2-4 exercise. So it's an exercise on the piano. It has melody in the right hand, it has harmony in the left hand, and it is an exercise in 2-4, specifically 2-4, the time signature. Now, what do we mean by 2-4? It's easiest to think of it like math, but you cannot reduce the fraction at all. You can't simplify the fraction. So you can't say 2-4 is the same as 1/2 or half. It's not exactly like that. So here's what the 2-4 tells you. The 2-4 tells you that you are dealing with 2/4. Well, so what's another name for a fourth? If you said quarter, you'd be right. So you're dealing with 2/4. Okay, so we're dealing with 2/4. Well, so what that means is we have 2 quarter notes per measure. And since it's 2-4, what it's telling us also is that each quarter note, every 2 quarter notes, gets a beat. So when we apply that steady, non-compromising beat, those are our quarter notes. That's the speed our quarter notes move at. So if we went like this, these would be quarter notes. Like that. If we went like this, those would still be quarter notes. Okay, so you're going to set a metronome at whatever speed is comfortable for you and finish this exercise. If you'll look at the exercise, we have 4 measures of C, E, then D, F, and then E, G, and then F, D, and then we have 4 more measures of the same stuff, and then we have an extra measure just to end the song. If you'll notice, C to E is line to line, so that means we skip a note. We skip D in between. Line to line. Line to line or space to space is also called an interval of a third. Now we're dealing with a lot of half steps and whole steps, and like I said, those are minor seconds or major seconds. They're seconds. These are thirds. When it goes from one note, like C, skips a note and goes to E. So a C to E flat, a C to E, a C sharp to E are all types of thirds, okay? Because of the letters. C to E, D to F, E to G, F to A, G to B, A to C, B to D, and then also going down. Backwards of those are all thirds. So we're dealing with thirds inside this 2-4 exercise. Then we're also dealing with what we've kind of gotten used to in our left hand, the C chord. And then you'll notice every other measure is blank. So what are you going to put there? That's what I want to know. Are you going to put it like a C, E, G, or an a CFA, or a BFG, or a CEG again, or are you gonna maybe get a little crazy and do something different? It's your choice, and you get to decide what sounds best. So it's a little bit of a ear training as well. So we're gonna go C, E, D, F, E, G, F, D. Okay, so let's try the first 2 measures on our own. 1, 2, ready, go. And run through that as much as you can, because that, being able to move by thirds on the piano is a huge skill, and you want to be able to manipulate your fingers easy enough to do that. Okay, so playing by thirds is very, very important on the piano. And so if you're having trouble kind of coordinating your fingers, just keep working on it and you'll get it. So I'm going to run through it twice for you, and then you're going to be on your own for the 2-4 exercise. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, that's it for the 2-4 exercise. Good luck. Let me know how it goes.